Imagine this. You're talking to someone in English and suddenly you freeze. You know the words, you know the grammar, but when it's time to speak, your mind goes completely blank. And then you think, maybe I'm just bad at English. But here's the truth, you're not bad at English. You just never learned this one important skill. Today, I'm going to share 10 powerful secrets that most English learners never hear in school. These are not about memorizing more vocabulary lists. They are not about complicated grammar rules. They are about the hidden skills native speakers use every single day. And once you learn them, you'll finally speak naturally, confidently, and without overthinking. I know how frustrating it feels to study for years and still struggle. I've taught hundreds of learners who thought they had no talent for languages. And when they learned these skills, everything changed. That's why this lesson is for you, the learner who works hard but still feels stuck. We're going to use slow listening so you understand every word, and shadowing practice so you can copy the rhythm, pronunciation, and feeling of real English. I'll guide you step by step, give you example sentences, and even challenges to use them in real life. Before we start, click the subscribe button so you don't miss the next lesson. And leave me a comment telling me which tip is your favorite at the end. Your participation helps this community grow and keeps you motivated to practice. Now, let's begin with secret number 1. And I promise, this will change the way you speak English forever. Secret 1. Learn English in chunks, not words. Explanation. Most learners try to memorize single words, go, home, fast. But native speakers think in chunks, small groups of words that naturally go together. For example, go home, drive fast, get ready. When you learn in chunks, your brain doesn't have to translate word by word. You just say the whole phrase automatically. Real-life context. Imagine you're leaving work. Instead of thinking, I go to home, you just say, I'm going home. One quick, natural sentence. No thinking, no translating. Example sentences, I'm going home, let's get ready. Can I help you? Slow version, repeat after me, I'm going home. Let's get ready. Can I help you? Normal version, I'm going home. Let's get ready. Can I help you? Shadowing practice. Repeat with me. I'm going home. Say it again naturally. Let's get ready. One more time. Can I help you? Pronunciation tip. Link your words. Don't say going home. Say going home. Challenge. Today, choose 3 chunks you use often and repeat them 20 times during your day. Secret 2. Copy the music of English. Explanation. English is not just about words. It's about music. The up and down melody tells the listener if you're asking a question, making a statement, or showing emotion. If you only focus on grammar, you'll sound flat. But if you copy the rhythm and tone, you'll sound more natural instantly. Real-life context. When you say really with a rising tone, it means surprise or interest. When you say really with a flat tone, it means you don't believe it or you're not impressed. Example sentences. Are you coming? I can't believe it. I'm so tired. Slow version. Are you coming? I can't believe it. I'm so tired. Normal version, are you coming? I can't believe it. I'm so tired. Shadowing practice, repeat with me with emotion. Are you coming? Make it rise. I can't believe it. Make it exciting. I'm so tired. Let it fall. Pronunciation tip, think of English like a song. The melody changes the meaning. Challenge, watch one short English video today and copy the speaker's tone exactly. Secret 3. Master the pause. Explanation. Native speakers don't speak fast all the time. They pause. Pauses give your brain time to think and your listener time to understand. If you speak without pauses, you sound nervous or unclear. Real-life context. Instead of saying, I went to the store and bought some bread and milk, and then I went, you pause. I went to the store and bought some bread and milk, and then I went. Example sentences. Let me think. Yes, that works. I'm not sure, maybe tomorrow. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? Slow version, let me think. Yes, that works. I'm not sure, maybe tomorrow. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? Normal version, let me think. Yes, that works. I'm not sure, maybe tomorrow. Shadowing practice, repeat with me. Add pauses. Let me think. Yes, that works. Say it again. I'm not sure, maybe tomorrow. One more time. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? Pronunciation tip. Pausing is not forgetting, it's control. Challenge. Record yourself speaking and add pauses. Compare before and after. Secret 4. Think in pictures, not words. Explanation. When you speak English, do you first think of the sentence in your own language, translate it word by word, and then try to say it? That's what slows you down. Native speakers don't think of words, they think of images, situations, and feelings. When you learn to think in pictures, you connect directly to meaning. The English words come naturally, without translation. Real-life context. If I say apple, a native speaker doesn't see the letters apple in their head. They imagine the fruit, red, round, maybe with a bite taken out. When you do the same, your brain connects faster. Example sentences, picture the scene, I'm drinking coffee. Imagine yourself holding the cup, smelling the aroma. It's raining. See the drops falling. Hear the sound. She's laughing. See her face, hear her voice. Slow version. I'm drinking coffee. It's raining. She's laughing. Normal version. I'm drinking coffee. It's raining. She's laughing. Shadowing practice. Repeat with me. First, see the picture in your mind. I'm drinking coffee. Say it again naturally. It's raining. One more time. She's laughing. Pronunciation tip. Let the picture guide your tone. If it's happy, sound happy. If it's serious, sound serious. Challenge. Today, describe 5 things around you in English, but before you speak, close your eyes and see them clearly. Secret 5. Use mini sentences for speed. Explanation. One reason learners freeze in conversation is they try to make long, perfect sentences. Native speakers often use mini sentences, short, complete thoughts. This is faster, easier, and more natural. Real-life context. If someone asks, how was your day? You don't have to say, my day was good because I went to the park and then I met my friend and then we had lunch together. You can break it into mini sentences. It was good. I went to the park, met a friend, we had lunch. Example sentences. Sounds good. Let's go. Not bad. Slow version. Sounds good. Let's go. Not bad. Normal version. Sounds good. Let's go. Not bad. Shadowing practice. Repeat with me. Keep it short. Sounds good. Say it again naturally. Let's go. One more time. Not bad. Pronunciation tip. Short sentences need strong stress. Say them with energy. Challenge. Next time you speak English, use 3 to 5 mini sentences instead of one long one. Secret 6. Learn real-life responses. Explanation. Many learners can ask questions but don't know how to respond naturally. They answer too formally, like in textbooks. Native speakers have ready-made responses they use daily. If you learn them, you'll reply faster and sound more confident. Real-life context. If someone says thanks, you could say you're welcome. But natives often say no problem, anytime, or sure thing. Example sentences. No problem. Sounds great. I'd love to. Slow version. No problem. Sounds great. I'd love to. Normal version. No problem. Sounds great. I'd love to. Shadowing practice. Repeat with me. No problem. Say it again naturally. Sounds great. One more time. I'd love to. Pronunciation tip. Responses are usually said quickly, but keep the emotion clear. Challenge. Learn 5 natural responses today and use them at least once. Secret 7. Steal phrases from real English. Explanation. The fastest way to speak naturally is to steal phrases from native speakers. This is not cheating, it's learning from the source. When you watch movies, TV shows, or YouTube videos, notice the exact phrases and copy them. Real-life context. Instead of saying, I understand what you mean, you can say, I get it. Instead of I am very hungry, you can say I'm starving. Example sentences. I get it. I'm starving. Let's catch up soon. Slow version. I get it. I'm starving. Let's catch up soon. Normal version. I get it. I'm starving. Let's catch up soon. Shadowing practice. Repeat with me. I get it. Say it again naturally. I'm starving. One more time. Let's catch up soon. Pronunciation tip. When you steal a phrase, copy everything. Tone, speed, emotion. Challenge. Today, watch a short video and write down 3 phrases to use this week. Secret 8. Practice out loud, not in your head. Explanation. Thinking silently in English is good, but it's not enough. Speaking is a physical skill. Your mouth, tongue, and lips need training. If you only think in English, your brain knows it, but your mouth can't say it smoothly. Real-life context. It's like knowing how to dance in your mind, but never moving your body. You need to practice out loud. Example sentences. I'm feeling great today. Let's meet at 5. That's interesting. Slow version. I'm feeling great today. Let's meet at 5. That's interesting. Normal version. I'm feeling great today. Let's meet at 5. That's interesting. Shadowing practice. Repeat with me, loud and clear. I'm feeling great today. Say it again naturally. Let's meet at 5. One more time. That's interesting. Pronunciation tip. Speaking out loud builds muscle memory. Challenge. Spend 10 minutes today speaking English alone. Describe your actions, plans, or surroundings. Secret 9. Focus on connection, not perfection. Explanation. Many learners are afraid to speak because they might make mistakes, but communication is about connection, not perfect grammar. Native speakers make small mistakes too, but they keep talking. Real-life context. If you say, "Yesterday I go to park," people will still understand. It's better to speak imperfectly than to stay silent. Example sentences. "Let's meet later, okay? I had fun." "You did a great job." Slow version. "Let's meet later, okay? I had fun. You did a great job." Normal version. "Let's meet later, okay? I had fun. You did a great job." Shadowing practice. Repeat with me. "Let's meet later, okay?" Say it again naturally. "I had fun." One more time. "You did a great job." Pronunciation tip. Smile while you speak. It makes you sound friendlier and more confident. Challenge. Today, speak English without worrying about mistakes. Focus only on being understood. Secret 10. Repeat until it's automatic. Explanation. Fluency comes from repetition. You can't just hear a phrase once and expect to use it. Native speakers use the same expressions every day until they become automatic. Real-life context. If you want to remember "how's it going," you need to say it many times in different situations until you don't even think about it. Example sentences. "How's it going?" "See you later." "Take care." Slow version. "How's going?" "See you later." "Take care." Normal version. "How's it going?" "See you later." "Take care." Shadowing practice. Repeat with me. "How's it going?" Say it again naturally. "See you later." One more time. "Take care." Pronunciation tip. Repeat with emotion. Make it feel real, not like a school exercise. Challenge. Choose 3 phrases from this lesson and repeat each 50 times today. Conclusion. So, now you know the truth. You were never bad at English. You just never learned these hidden skills. School taught you grammar rules and vocabulary lists, but not how to sound natural, confident, and connected when speaking. Today, you learned to speak in chunks, not single words, to copy the music of English, to use pauses for clarity, to think in pictures, to use mini sentences for speed, to reply with real-life responses, to steal useful phrases, to practice out loud, to focus on connection, not perfection, and to repeat until speaking is automatic. If you practice even one of these secrets daily, you will see a big change in your fluency within weeks. If you practice all of them, you'll start speaking without fear, and people will say, "Wow, your English sounds so natural." Before you go, subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson, and leave a comment telling me which secret you will try first. Your comment is your first step to speaking more. And remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about making progress. One sentence, one conversation, one day at a time.